Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mom and Me Educational. In my previous Hindi video, I have introduced vowels and consonants letters in Hindi, Varnamala or Swar or Vyanjan. I have told everything and how is the pronunciation, I will tell everything. In this particular video, I am going to do the only showing you how to write the vowels or swar, okay, e. These four letters in today's video I am going to show you how to write and how can you memorize this related words. Okay, so let's start today's video. Okay, the first vowel is or swar is in Hindi alphabet or Hindi Varnamala, that is a. Okay, you just open your mouth little. Okay, not a. Okay, so a. How you can introduce the letter to your children, or if you don't know the Hindi, if you want to learn, you also know this is the letter a. So how can you write the letter a? First let me tell you that. First make one curve, then half curve. Okay, after that you just make one sleeping line and one standing line, and here you put a small sleeping line. Okay, this is a. So a for anard, anard or pomegranate. Okay, I have written the English pronunciation of anard, anard. Okay, pomegranate. A for amrud or a say amrud. If you in Hindi, if you want to tell, that time you can say a say amrud or a for amrud. Amrud means guava. A say ajgar or a for ajgar, like means python. A say akhrot, akhrot means walnut. A say achkan, achkan means long coat. A say achar, achar means pickle. A say or a for akhbar, akhbar means newspaper. A say Ajay one boy name you can say, or Ajay another meaning is you can't defeat somebody, you can't defeat, that is called also Ajay. Okay, so that's all in letter a. Okay, in initial stages this is enough for you to know. Okay, the next one is a. This time you just open your mouth wider. Okay, a. So a for am, am means mango. A for aloo, that means potato. A say ag or a means ag means fire. A say admi means man. Ata means wheat. Adu means peach, one kind of fruit. Ari means swa, garden making tools is called. Okay, with these tools we can dig the ground. Akash means sky. Akash means sky. Alo means a female name and also it meaning light. Okay, so how can you write a? Same just like a. So here you just write just like a. Next you put the sleeping line and one more standing line will be. Okay, that is a. Okay, a. The next one is E. In Hindi, we also call it choti e. Okay, here we are not supposed to stress little. So imli means imli means tamarind. Imarat means building. Imarati means sweet, one kind of sweet. Idli, idli. Istri. This is the conjunct. The two letters are putting together. Okay, these two letters how they can put together I will teach in my obviously in my upcoming videos. In this video I'm just telling you how to write the letters and how can you memorize this letter. Okay, istri means iron. Okay, engine means engine. Engine means engine. Inam means prize. Ikattha means collect. Okay, ikattha means collect. Okay, so how can you write? First one sleeping line, one standing line, then make a curve, then go down and curve, and here you put one sleeping line. Okay, so once again I will show sleeping line, make a curve, then go down and put a sleeping line. Okay, this is E, choti e or short e. The next one is E. Okay, here you put little stress. E. Okay, this letter also called in Hindi badi E. Ik. Ik means sugarcane. Id means one festival we all know. It, that is brick. Ishwar means God. Iman means honesty. Ishai means Christian personality is called Ishai. Okay, so how can you write E? Same just like choti E or short E, you write the same here. Then put a cap or put a tail. Standing line, curve, go down, make a curve and down and sleeping line and put a cap here. That is long E. Okay, long E. E. Okay. So, in my next video, I will continue with this vowels or swar. Okay. Till then, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.